Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'll be doing an unboxing for Hasbro, Beyblade X Hasbro, Scarlet, Garuda, 470, Transpoint. But yeah, let's get this open. Really happy to get this one step closer for Hasbro releases to have the current be finally caught up with Hasbro. And I actually almost caught up with it. Starter. Okay. Add that to my collection as boxes that I, at one point put them up on the wall, like how these are. And they actually saying, let's switch that over. Where my Hasbro boxes are. Okay, sorry. I had to get this. Let's get Garuda. Yeah. There she is, and I accidentally, well, wasn't expecting that. So there she is. QR code. Actually, let me get a closer look at her. There's the QR code. I need to do QR code stuff on the app, but I've just been too lazy to do that. Maybe in a video I'll do adding all my Hasbro stuff to the collection. There's the 470 and the trans tip, and finally adding this one to the collection. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.